Hello beautiful family members. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make Zobo tea, whether for commercial purpose or for personal use. If that's what you want to learn, you need to watch this video all the way through to the end. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. And to all my returning subscribers, I love you guys. So let's get started. Here are the list of the ingredients that I'll be using. Of course, my Zobo leaf, the main ingredient. I also have some dry ginger. I have my cloves, and for my fruits that I'll be using some pineapple and some apple. I want you to know that this fruit has been dehydrated. I also have some beetroots that I've dehydrated as well, and my back of pineapple. I've dehydrated all my fruits. So this is what I'll be using for my Zobo tea. The very first step is to wash and clean your Zobo leaf. After that, get your dehydrator, then use it to dry your Zobo leaf. And if you don't have a dehydrator, you can sun dry it. Just make sure that your leaf is dry completely before using it. So after arranging everything inside my dehydrator, so I'm going to on it and let this dry for about 4 hours, or when you notice that everything is dry completely. So for my fruits, I also dehydrate all my fruits, my beetroot, my pineapple, my apple, even the back of the pineapple. I dehydrate everything alongside my ginger. So that is what I did with all my fruits. So if you don't have a dehydrator at home, you can get your dry fruits. Any dry fruit you want to use at all, you can get it from the market. Just make sure you are using dry fruits for your Zobo tea. Once all your ingredients is dry completely, then you can proceed to blending. And again, I would also like you to know that you can create your own recipe by using any kind of fruit of your choice. Just make sure that everything is dry completely. We are using dry fruits for our Zobo tea. Then you blend everything into a powdered form. Making Zobo tea is actually very healthy, and Zobo tea has been associated over the year with a lot of health benefits, which one of it is lowering high blood pressure. So if you are dealing with high blood pressure, Zobo tea can help you control your high blood pressure. And Zobo tea is also packed with a lot of antioxidants that can improve or help your body. But the side effect of Zobo tea is that it is not recommendable for a pregnant woman. So if you are pregnant, please stay away from Zobo tea. So what I did here was just to transfer everything into a bigger blender so that I can blend everything together, and this is what I have with it. So this is what I have after blending it. So I'm just going to spread it out, allow it to cool down because it was hot by the time I finished blending it, and I'm just trying to spread it out over here. And I would like you to notice that when you are using dry pineapple is usually gummy. So that is why I'm using my hand to make sure that there's no any lumps inside and everything is well smooth. I'm just going to allow this to cool down completely before packing it. And can you see my Zobo tea? Look how dry and the texture it came out. So if you are going for commercial purpose, you need a tea bag to package your Zobo tea. But if it's not for commercial purpose, you can just store this in an airtight container and use your tea infuser to drink it. So that's it. So for commercial purpose, you get a tea bag and then fill it. So we have different type of tea bag. This my tea bag came with rope. So I'm just going to use the rope just to tie it down. So there are also some type of tea bag that you need a sealing machine to seal them. So for this particular tea bag I'm using, it's only a rope that you use. You don't need any sealing machine. Just use the rope to tie it, and that's all. So for your measurements, I'm only using 1 tablespoon of our regular eating spoon at home, and you can see the way I am measuring it, and you can see the level at which the tea is inside the tea bag. So that is all you need to start producing your Zobo tea at home by yourself. If you watch this video up to this level, I want to say a very big thank you, and that shows that you enjoy this video. And if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. And once you subscribe, please turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also, please don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And also, please leave some comments if you enjoyed this video and you really benefit from this video. Family members, and here is our Zobo tea. Can you see our lovely tea bag, how beautiful the tea bag is? So will you be trying this recipe? Make sure you try it and share your experience with me. So let's make some Zobo tea. Add your Zobo tea bag inside your teacup, add some boiling hot water and allow this to steam for a few minutes, then enjoy. You can actually add any sweetener of your choice or take it without sweetening it. There is also another method you can enjoy your Zobo tea. So I had some tea bag inside my teacup on fire. Then I had some cinnamon stick. I had some fresh mint leaf. Then I'm going to cover this and allow this to boil. So can you see that our Zobo is boiling? So I'm going to turn off the heat and allow this to cool down a little bit. Then once it has cooled down, then I add some ice into my cup. Then I had my Zobo tea inside. After that, I had my sweetener. You can go in with any sweetener of your choice. And there you have your Zobo cocktail or Zobo mocktail or whatever you call it. And that's it. Guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.